comment, subscribe. My groceries. Guess what I'm going to make? The beloved Smackalicious garlic sauce. Oh, Raylan's looking at me. So I'm at my sister's house and my niece is looking at me crazy. But let's see. Come here, Reese Peasy. Alright. So it needs 2 sticks of unsalted sweet cream. I have this one. And then it says you need pickled ginger, and I got this ginger. It's supposed to have 4 ounces of Sprite. That should be interesting. Her other one you had to use Coke. Then you're supposed to have minced garlic. I just got the kind that's already minced because I hope this vinegar doesn't. And then some vinegar. Got that from my mom's house. You're supposed to have a sweet onion. And then I got some shrimp that I need to clean. And I have some sausage. They had some crab legs, but they didn't look that great, so I didn't get them. I was gonna get just like a little bit, but the potatoes, baby potatoes, and I spill some of that vinegar. Smell it. Ugh. Lemon and some cucumber. So I'm gonna put it all together. See how it turns out. Okay, I'm going to clean the shrimp. I think these are already somewhat clean, so it won't be as much work. So these are the shrimp that the tail is already off. And I'm gonna check and make sure they're all clean. They were pre-cleaned, but make sure. Let's make sure there's no poop in these. That's one thing I can't stand. I think they cleaned all the poop strings out. Nope, they got some in here. See those poop strings? Gotta get those out. I have another little bowl. They just cleaned out one side of it. That's what. Some people don't care about this side, but I always take both of them out. I don't want to see the poop in there. All right, I will see y'all when I finish the rest of this. These are little shrimp, but I got what I could get. And the potatoes and corn are there. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and always, always, always hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. Stay tuned for the mukbang. Until next time, bye.